Hey guys, a warm welcome to the Forge. So, what our today's topic is about Shell-GPT. What is Shell-GPT? How it is installed? I'll tell you everything. So let's dive straight into what is Shell-GPT. So Shell-GPT is something if you are an ethical hacker or a pen tester, it's a must tool to have so that you can just start a thing and you will not waste a time on just switching your screens to your browser and your terminal. Okay, so let's dive straight a little bit more on the Shell-GPT part. So Shell-GPT is an open source command line tool that integrates LLM directly into your terminal. Instead of switching back and forth between your terminal and browser windows, Shell-GPT let you query AI, generate CLI commands, write code snippets straight into your terminal. So yeah, Shell-GPT is a particularized form of LLM model that can connect and that integrates your LLM to your terminal directly. So you can just generate, execute shell commands, quick shell code generation. Also, you can piping the inputs of to the into the LLM directly. Like you can run and start many tools like Nmap. You can just ask SGPT slash chat to make a particularized Nmap command that will bypass the firewall. So it will do everything for you. Another thing, we can just start the installation process, like how the particular shell gpt is installing. So yeah, I have a terminal. So what we have to do is, firstly, we will start a terminal. We will just write in sudo su to get the root privileges. Now I change the directory. I'll just write clear, and I'll just increase a little bit of my font size, because you'll it will be much better if you'll see it in better way. So first thing you have to do is apt upgrade apt update, and I'll say why I have used this. Why is it will pre-builtly use y, that is yes. So it will install everything. That will be no my manual need to write, just type y. I'll just install it. I have just installed it just a little bit seconds earlier, so it will not take a little bit more time. So I have done this all. Now the other thing what we have to do next is to install the dependencies. The first dependency to start your shell gpt or install your shell gpt is to install python. So we will install python. I have already installed python, so there would be no need to install python. So yeah, I have just downloaded all the dependencies of python. Now we will just clear this terminal again. Now the main part is there to install shell gpt. So the main command is this, but we will try why this particular command will not be used. So it will say externally manage environment. To bypass this thing, we have to do something like break the system packages that will bypass the all the overwritten rules. So let's start, and we'll start with the break packages. And now the shell gpt is completely installed. So what we have to do is to check if our shell gpt is working or not. We'll type this command sgpt slash help and see the shell gpt is installed. I have already added the openai key api key, so that's why the I have this particularized one. For you will be asked to add a open api key. So what you have to do is simply, if you want a particularized whole video on that topic, I'll add a topic. I'll just record a video to how to generate an open api key without using your own credentials. Obviously, if you are an ethical hacker, you have to do that. But yes, we have to just do is we have to just go to the chrome and type openai, and then we have to just go to the API platforms, and we have to generate an API key and just enter it here and just click on the enter. It will just generate an API key, and it will all about Shell GPT and how you can install it, what is its use. This is the command that will be used to write prompts in your terminal. So if you like this video, if you find anything informative, you can just hit a subscribe and like to our channel. Also, if you want some other topics on practical knowledge of cybersecurity and ethical hacking, you can just write your topic in the comment section, and we'll try to build a whole introduction and video to that, so that you can be learning that thing much easier and free. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.